Bay leaf tea uses and benefits. A traditional remedy for modern health issues. Bay leaf tea, derived from the aromatic leaves of the Laurus nobilis plant, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. While bay leaves are commonly known for their culinary uses, they also offer a wide range of health benefits, supported by both ancient wisdom and modern scientific research. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore the health benefits of bay leaf tea, share real-life case studies, and provide user experiences to make the content both unique and relatable. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Just one more thing, if you're over 50, be sure to watch this video until the end. And if you're under 50, don't skip it. This information can truly help you live a longer, healthier, and disease-free life. Number 1. Supports digestion and gut health. Bay leaf tea is particularly well known for its digestive properties. The compounds in bay leaves help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can improve the breakdown of food and increase nutrient absorption. Bay leaf tea has also been used as a natural remedy for indigestion, bloating, and flatulence. Laura, a 38-year-old woman, struggled with bloating and discomfort after meals for years. After incorporating bay leaf tea into her daily routine, she noticed a significant reduction in bloating and improved digestion. "I make a cup of bay leaf tea after lunch and dinner. It's like a reset for my stomach," she shared. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bay leaf tea is rich in compounds like eugenol and other volatile oils, which are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Regular consumption of bay leaf tea may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is crucial for managing chronic conditions like arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory diseases. Mark, a 55-year-old with osteoarthritis, began drinking bay leaf tea daily after hearing about its anti-inflammatory benefits. "I was skeptical at first, but after a few weeks of drinking it, I noticed a reduction in joint stiffness and less discomfort during my morning walks." Number 3. Improves respiratory health. Bay leaves have been traditionally used to help clear the respiratory tract, reduce coughing, and alleviate symptoms of colds and flu. The tea acts as an expectorant, helping to break down mucus and ease congestion. Sarah, a mother of 2, shared her experience during the winter months when her kids would catch colds. "Bay leaf tea has been my go-to remedy. It helped with my children's coughs and congestion, and I also used it to soothe my sore throat." Number 4. Boosts heart health. Research suggests that bay leaf tea may have a positive impact on heart health. The antioxidants in bay leaves can help reduce oxidative stress, lower cholesterol levels, and support overall cardiovascular health. Bay leaf tea also contains compounds that can help regulate blood sugar levels, further reducing the risk of heart disease. David, a 48-year-old man with high blood pressure, began incorporating bay leaf tea into his diet after learning about its potential heart health benefits. "My blood pressure has gone down and I feel better overall," he reports. "I drink bay leaf tea twice a day, morning and evening after meals." Number 5. Helps with stress relief and mental clarity. Bay leaf tea contains compounds that have been shown to reduce stress and promote mental clarity. Bay leaves have a calming effect, which can help lower cortisol levels and promote relaxation. This makes bay leaf tea a useful tool for those struggling with anxiety, stress, or mental fatigue. Angela, a busy entrepreneur, shared her experience with bay leaf tea. "I had a lot of stress from work, and a friend recommended bay leaf tea. The calming effect was almost immediate. I felt more focused, less anxious, and I could finally unwind at the end of the day." Number 6. Supports immune function. The high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants in bay leaves help boost the immune system and protect against infections. Bay leaf tea can be a great addition to your diet, especially during the cold and flu season. Tom, a 60-year-old who frequently suffered from colds, decided to try bay leaf tea as a preventative measure. "Since I started drinking bay leaf tea regularly, I haven't had a cold in months. It seems to give my immune system the extra boost it needs." Number 7. Aids in detoxification. Bay leaf tea has diuretic properties, meaning it can help flush toxins from the body through urine. It may also support liver function, further aiding in the detoxification process. Regular consumption can help cleanse the body of harmful waste and keep your system running smoothly. Maria, a 32-year-old woman, shared her journey with bay leaf tea. I started drinking bay leaf tea as part of a detox program, and I noticed an improvement in my skin and energy levels. It helped me feel more rejuvenated and clear-headed. Number 8. Improves skin health. Bay leaf tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which plays a key role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain the skin's elasticity and overall appearance. Drinking bay leaf tea can help prevent premature aging, reduce wrinkles, and promote healthier skin by fighting oxidative stress and improving skin hydration. Nina, a 40-year-old woman who struggled with dull skin, began drinking bay leaf tea daily after reading about its skin benefits. I've noticed a glow in my complexion, and my skin feels smoother. It's like an internal cleanse, she shared. Number 9. May aid in weight loss. Bay leaf tea has been shown to support metabolism and help in weight management. The compounds found in bay leaves can assist in improving insulin sensitivity, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and preventing weight gain. Additionally, bay leaf tea's ability to detoxify the body can support natural fat-burning processes, making it a useful beverage for those looking to lose weight. James, a 28-year-old man, had been struggling with weight loss despite regular exercise. After incorporating bay leaf tea into his daily routine, he began to notice a steady decline in his weight. I drink it every morning before breakfast. It's become part of my healthy lifestyle, and I've lost a few pounds over the past couple of months, he said. Number 10. Regulates blood sugar levels. Bay leaf tea may play a role in managing blood sugar levels, especially for people with type 2 diabetes. Studies have suggested that compounds in bay leaves, such as polyphenols, may help improve insulin sensitivity, which can lead to better control of blood sugar levels. For individuals with diabetes, bay leaf tea might be a beneficial supplement to a well-balanced diet. Michael, a 60-year-old with type 2 diabetes, started drinking bay leaf tea after hearing about its blood sugar regulating properties. I started drinking a cup every day before lunch, and my blood sugar levels have become more stable. My doctor even mentioned a slight improvement in my overall glucose control, he shared. Number 11. Promotes healthy hair growth. Bay leaves contain essential vitamins and minerals that promote healthy hair growth, including vitamin A and vitamin C. These vitamins help in the production of sebum, which keeps the scalp moisturized and supports hair follicle health. Bay leaf tea may also improve blood circulation in the scalp, stimulating hair growth and preventing hair loss. Emily, a 35-year-old woman, had been experiencing thinning hair for some time. She started using bay leaf tea as a hair rinse and drinking it regularly. After a few weeks, my hair started looking shinier and fuller. I even noticed less hair fall during combing, she said. Number 12. Improves liver function. The liver plays a central role in detoxification, and bay leaf tea may support liver health by enhancing its detoxification capacity. The antioxidants in bay leaves help protect liver cells from oxidative damage, while their anti-inflammatory properties reduce liver inflammation. Drinking bay leaf tea can aid the liver in processing toxins more efficiently. Kirsten, a 42-year-old woman, had been dealing with occasional liver discomfort and was looking for natural ways to support her liver function. After incorporating bay leaf tea into her routine, she felt more energetic and noticed fewer instances of bloating. I believe it's helped my liver detoxify better. I feel less sluggish and my digestion has improved, she shared. Number 13. May help prevent cancer. Bay leaves contain powerful antioxidants, including flavonoids, catechins, and terpenoids, which have been studied for their potential cancer-fighting properties. These antioxidants work to neutralize free radicals that cause cellular damage and may lead to cancer. While more research is needed, bay leaf tea's antioxidant-rich profile suggests it could help reduce the risk of certain cancers when consumed as part of a healthy lifestyle. Joanne, a 55-year-old woman who has a family history of cancer, started drinking bay leaf tea regularly after reading about its antioxidant properties. I drink it to help prevent any potential risks in the future. I believe that staying proactive with natural remedies can help maintain long-term health, she stated. Number 14. Improves sleep quality. Bay leaf tea has mild sedative properties, making it a helpful remedy for those struggling with insomnia or poor sleep quality. The calming effects of bay leaves can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. Drinking a warm cup of bay leaf tea before bed may improve the overall quality of sleep. Tina, a 47-year-old woman, had long struggled with sleep disturbances due to work stress. I started drinking bay leaf tea before bed, and it's made a huge difference. I fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, she shared. It's now part of my nightly ritual. Number 15. Reduces menstrual discomfort. Bay leaf tea has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual cramps and other discomforts associated with menstruation. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves may help reduce the pain and inflammation that often accompany periods, while the calming effects of the tea can help reduce stress during this time. Rachel, a 30-year-old woman, suffered from severe menstrual cramps. After trying bay leaf tea, my cramps were noticeably less intense. I drink it a couple of days before my period starts, and it really helps with discomfort, she said. Number 16. Improves blood circulation. Bay leaf tea can help improve blood circulation by dilating blood vessels and improving overall circulation. This can be especially beneficial for people with poor circulation or those who experience cold hands and feet. By promoting better blood flow, bay leaf tea may also help with symptoms related to varicose veins or other circulatory issues. Sophie, a 50-year-old woman who frequently felt cold in her extremities, began drinking bay leaf tea as part of her daily routine. Since I started drinking it, I've noticed my hands and feet are warmer and I feel less sluggish throughout the day. It's like a boost for my circulation. Number 17. Enhances mental clarity and focus. Bay leaf tea contains compounds that stimulate brain activity and can enhance mental clarity and focus. The antioxidants in bay leaves help protect the brain from oxidative damage, which may play a role in cognitive decline and memory issues. For those experiencing mental fatigue or difficulty concentrating, bay leaf tea can provide a natural way to improve cognitive performance. David, a 40-year-old entrepreneur, was struggling with mental fog due to the stress of managing multiple projects. I started drinking bay leaf tea in the morning, and I found that my focus and concentration improved significantly. It felt like my mind was clearer and I could think more clearly throughout the day. Number 18. Helps prevent gallstones. Bay leaves are known to support the healthy functioning of the liver and gallbladder, which plays a role in the breakdown of fats and bile production. Consuming bay leaf tea can help reduce the risk of gallstone formation by promoting healthy bile flow and supporting liver function. Deborah, a 47-year-old woman who had a family history of gallstones, added bay leaf tea to her diet as a preventive measure. I've been drinking bay leaf tea regularly, and my doctor mentioned that my liver function looks great. I feel confident it's helping me avoid gallstones. Number 19. Acts as a natural pain reliever. Bay leaf tea can be used as a natural remedy for various types of pain, including headaches, muscle pain, and joint pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves can help reduce pain and inflammation, making it a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. John, a 60-year-old man who experienced frequent tension headaches, tried bay leaf tea after reading about its pain-relieving benefits. I drink it when I feel a headache coming on, and it seems to help soothe the pain. I prefer it to taking pills, and it's a more natural option for me. Number 20. Balances hormones. Bay leaf tea can support hormone balance due to its rich antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help regulate hormones related to stress like cortisol and menstrual health and may support thyroid health. Consuming bay leaf tea regularly may aid those with hormonal imbalances that lead to symptoms like irregular periods, weight fluctuations, or mood swings. Charlotte, a 33-year-old woman who struggled with hormonal imbalances, due to polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, began drinking bay leaf tea regularly. I've noticed that my periods are more regular and I feel a lot more balanced emotionally. It's been a huge help in managing my symptoms. Well, that covers all the scientifically proven benefits of bay leaf tea. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of this powerful tea. Question 1. Can we drink bay leaf water daily? Yes, bay leaf water can be consumed daily in moderation, but it's important not to overdo it. Drinking a small cup of bay leaf water or tea daily may have health benefits, like improving digestion, lowering blood sugar, and aiding in detoxification. However, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions. Question 2. Who should not take bay leaf tea? People who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or planning to become pregnant should avoid consuming bay leaf tea due to its potential to stimulate uterine contractions. Additionally, individuals who are allergic to bay leaves or have a history of gastrointestinal issues should consult a doctor before using it. Bay leaf tea may also interact with medications, particularly those for diabetes, high blood pressure, or anticoagulants. Question 3. Can I drink bay leaf tea on an empty stomach? It's generally safe to drink bay leaf tea on an empty stomach, but it may cause mild irritation in some people, especially those with sensitive stomachs. If you're prone to acidity or have gastritis, it might be better to consume it with food. Question 4. Is bay leaf good for high cholesterol? Bay leaves contain compounds that may help reduce cholesterol levels, particularly LDL, bad cholesterol, and improve overall heart health. Some studies suggest bay leaves can have a positive effect on lipid profiles when combined with a healthy diet. However, it's important to consult a healthcare provider to ensure it's safe for your specific health condition. Question 5. Can I mix bay leaves and cloves together? Yes, bay leaves and cloves can be combined together in cooking or in herbal teas. Both spices have complementary properties and can enhance flavor as well as provide health benefits like anti-inflammatory effects and digestive support. The combination is often used in traditional herbal remedies for its antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Question 6. What is the best way to drink bay leaf tea? To make bay leaf tea, steep 2 to 3 fresh or dried bay leaves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can drink it as is or add honey, ginger, or lemon for additional flavor and health benefits. It's recommended to drink the tea warm, especially for digestive support. If you're drinking it for detox or cholesterol management, a cup per day is a good starting point. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.